Hello, I'm David and I own Little Houses Plus and Small World products. We're back in the workshop again to do another video, and today I would like to talk to you about people that are going to wire doll's house or another sort of project. And the first question I would like to ask you is, when you've wired your house under a lot of ways that people will tell you, can you tell me how you're going to change the bulb? One answer is you can use a little thing like this called a bulb extractor. And to do that, I'm just going to take the top off here. This, remembering you won't be able to do this in your own house, probably. And you would have to get your hand in, because the ceiling's here, and you would have to get this down inside there to take the bulb out, which isn't very easy. On Small World products, the Easy Wiring System, we will say to you, why not take your light out like that, unscrew this bit here, take the bulb out, put your new bulb back in, and then just plug it back in again. And that means you can change a light at any time or a bulb at any time. Some lights come with two little metal pins. The pins are probably smaller than a needle, and that has to be pushed into two little sockets in there. So if you've got the ceiling on here, you've got to try and find the two little holes. Some lights come that screw in, but it's still very difficult when you've got a top on. You can see here how we've done the wiring, and that's all behind the wallpaper, and this is on another video where we explain how to do this. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and all the information can be found on our website www.littlehouses+-shop.co.uk, and this is where you will find us. Thank you for watching.